Hey everybody, Kevin here back with another video building finance mining. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you all for supporting. I reached 100 subscribers yesterday. Beat that. That's like the first milestone for anybody YouTuber. Thank you all so much. With your support, I could reach that milestone. And for every one of you who didn't sub, please hit the subscribe button. With that being said, let's kick it off, shall we? I know you guys were enthusiastically waiting for my next video, and now you guys are tremendously excited to see me. You know what? I was getting all these messages on Twitter, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Facebook, BSNL, Airtel, Vodafone, you name it, asking me when my next video was coming on. You know, most of them were girls. Shocking. And then the next thing I know, I woke up to my mom shouting at my brother in the living room. Solid disappointment. So, as it says in the thumbnail, we're gonna be looking at memes. We all love memes. Who doesn't like memes? I'm pretty sure when you do. I basically use social media platforms only for looking at memes. Memes make my day. Memes are awesome. Memes are fabulous. Memes are big. So with that being said, I've got a collection of memes on my phone right now. So I've picked out the best among the lot. So let's look at them. Let's discuss about memes today. So first meme, this is it. Let's see what this is. Relax, David. It's just a small surgery. Don't panic. My name is not David. Oh! I know I'm David. Oh God. Can you imagine what's going on in the patient's mind? Oh Lord, terrific. Crazy. Imagine you're sleeping on the operating table and this happens. Holy Lord, you just can't get up and run. Losing mental bandwidth. This is happening. We all like doctors. Doctors are life-saving heroes and heroines are there. We respect you all. Let's keep that in mind. Okay, this is a fantastic one, guys. Shit you know. Shit you don't know. Shit you don't know, you don't know. Oh Lord. It hits you at a different level. This is so true, guys. This is what I like with memes, you know. There's a meme for everything. There's meme for information, memes, that make you laugh, memes that make you sad. There's something for everybody. So this meme is a strong answer to all of those people who say they know everything. No, guys, you don't know everything. There's always something that we don't know that exists. So let's be humble. Let's be open to learning new things. So here comes the other one. So what is really happening on Mars? Look at that, guys. We all know about the Curiosity rover, right? That's in Mars right now, taking cool pictures of Mars. This meme has changed my entire perspective on the Mars visit. On the whole, two aliens holding a mirror or a display showing nothing but empty land. The Mars, as we know it, is empty. But we can clearly see that there's a colony out there in the back. There's huge buildings and all, futuristic stuff, aliens with tails. Oh God, please help me get over this mental treachery. This is a crazy one, in fact. This is a Chaya Kada in space. So this is a lunar meme. So there's a Chaya Kada on the moon. So we know what Chaya Kada is. Chaya is, right? Chaya is, for all of you, those who don't know, Chaya is tea in Malayalam. So Chaya Kada is very, very common in Kerala. Now, this typical Chaya Kada is everywhere in the world right now. There is Chaya Kadas even in Germany, Paris and London and all. So it's everywhere. So I don't see why they can't go to the moon. Like, what the hell? Moon is here only. Moon is next street. There seems to be an opportunity and probability of business of Chetas probably boiling milk already to make chaya, and he's already set up shop while you're wondering. So you know what? The food and tea in the typical Chetas chai shop is wonderful, guys. Tea is strong, and they also make a special Malayalam dish there. It's called Padamburi. It is basically fried banana. So very, very tasty. So for all the Malayalis watching this video, subbadigi guys, and comment down if you're a Malayali. And this particular setup he's got on Moon, it's got everything. It's the entire package. Nothing is missing here. He's got bananas, he's got a board saying what all he's got there, he's got newspapers, he's got eggs, maybe he makes omelets and all there. You might even get an egg bread sandwich there. Something in the back. Oh, that's the spaceship with another astronaut. Maybe that's Buzz Aldrin, and this is Neil Armstrong. We can see the Earth proper. We've got another one now. Drinking and driving should not be a problem. After all, how many will be able to afford petrol and alcohol on the same day? True. Very, 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 very true. This is the latest one. I got this after the price hike. So So fuel prices have gone insanely high. It's $100 a liter, guys. It's the most expensive India has seen in its history, I guess. You gotta be rich to be driving under the influence these days. And most probably, driving in itself is going to be luxury in the future. And in case you do decide to drive under the influence and you go crash into a Lamborghini on your way back home, you call up the insurance company and tell them, oh, I just crashed into a Lamborghini. They'll be like, oh, that's going to be expensive. Ouch. Okay, what do we have here? Now, when the parents are on a call and they ask for a pen, man, that pressure is unreal. Oh, I can relate to this. This is so relatable to me. Oh, these days all the companies are work from home. So my mom also works from home. Chances of this happening is greater. Oh God. Get the pen. I'll be on the sofa chilling, watching TV, and I'll be scrolling to my Instagram feed and all. Instantly, you give me such a strong order to do a particular thing. You know what? My brain needs time to get accustomed to the adrenaline rush. My muscles are not moving. I panic. And you know what? When you cannot find the pen, they get up from their desk, they go find themselves. Oh Lord, that's the end note. Please live your life to the fullest until that call ends, because after that call ends, you are dead meat. This meme is from the Kuch Kuch Hota movie. Very relatable again. I cannot sleep without the fan on. So it's too hot if I sleep without it. So I can sleep with it, but I need the blanket as well. So you guys might be thinking, why do you need the blanket when the fan is on, right? I need the blanket because blanket protects me from the demons in my room that are going to kill me when I'm sleeping. Blanket gives me courage. So without the blanket, impossible. I feel naked without the blanket in the night. It's like I'm too insecure to be sleeping without the blanket. Perfect. I sometimes open these apps just to stare at them for 5 seconds and closing them, realizing I just closed the app 3 seconds ago. It's just like opening the fridge and knowing there's nothing there and nothing's gonna magically appear inside. You just open it, peek inside and close it. But that's how we do with our apps. And wasting time, definitely we are definitely wasting a lot of time. So yeah, maybe that's the reason why I'm unemployed. So guys, let's look at the last meme for the day, shall we? So this is so true, right? Especially after eating meat. You know what? Your tongue is very precise in letting you know where that piece of bone is stuck. No, it's gonna tell you. It's gonna be exactly telling you with GPS location and coordinates at the exact spot. It's like it's there, Kevin. It's there. Go take it. But when I put my finger inside to retrieve the object, I'm touching parts of my liver, lungs, kidney, and all that. So that's how goofy my fingers are. This was the last, but not the least. This was the best one. After this, I'm gonna be showing you some random pictures of me traveling around the world in my imaginary life. Nice pictures, right? I know, but currently I'm at home taking goofy pictures like... That's because I wasted my time on social media, like the second last meme that you guys saw. So that's the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for sticking along till the end of this video. When I'm uploading this video, I'm at 100 subscribers. Again, I'm thanking you all for subscribing. And if you guys didn't subscribe, please subscribe, share this video with your friends, and make sure they see these memes that I showed you now. So with that being said, till I see you in the next video, take care, have fun, eat well, love you all.